Welcome to the Innovation Festival, hosted by Innovate Durban. The festival is aimed at creating the platform to bring together thought leaders and all innovation stakeholders to explore the latest trends in innovation from both a global and local perspective.
Over these first 2 days, we had a jam-packed program with fantastic content, speakers coming from all over the country. Our keynote speaker on the first day, Mr. Quraish Behari, who is the CEO of Durban, really speaking about a culture of innovation and what innovation means to businesses.
There's no point denying that innovation is hard and it takes you out of your comfort zone. It means going against the grain and breaking rules and doing things differently. Congratulations to Innovate Durban on driving a social change that's required for innovation to be at society's core. Thank you.
On day 2, we had a lineup of fantastic speakers and panelists.
Let's innovate. It doesn't matter what background you come from. I come from a background where I've never seen a computer until 17 years of my life. Let's be sustainable, let's innovate, let's come up with ideas.
If you go out and you have an idea, and that idea is typically about advancing a specific cause that you have or that you feel strongly about, success comes.
Partnerships from the government sector, from the industry, from the banking sector, and the regulators.
We use NABIS, which is a world-class international system that is used to maintain all the data around containers and all of the tracking.
A highlight of the day was also Dr. Chifalaro.
When I thought of this 3D technology was that I'm going to recreate the middle ear, tympanic membrane, ligaments, muscles, and bones. Is that not nice? It's the beauty of technology. So let's embrace it and enjoy it. So I'm so happy to be a doctor.
We ended off the day with a pitching den where young innovators came and pitched their businesses to a panel of judges, venture capitalists and other funders that were in the audience, one which included a Dragon's Den judge who was brutally honest in his advice and feedback, which gave a very good experience to the candidates that presented.
For me, it's very critical for us to know what you're tackling. Whether is it a want or is it a need? We want to know that people did this badly. When people did this badly, you know they're going to use it.
And day 3, we're here at a public open day. Right behind me, some of the kids are developing some robots, what we call doodle bots. There's coding classes that are taking place. So we've really given people a holistic experience, where they've come in, they've listened to the speakers, they've gained a lot of knowledge, they were able to network with the speakers, with each other and create their own opportunities, but also be able to first-hand experience elements related to the future and the 4th Industrial Revolution.